Have you ever felt like productivity is slipping through your fingers? Well, thanks to endless distractions and dozens of open tabs, you can turn your browser into a powerful productivity tool with the right Chrome extensions. So today I'm breaking down the top 5 Chrome extensions to keep you organized, focused, and on top of your game, whether studying or working. So stick around to see how each one can supercharge your productivity. Starting with Momentum, a beautifully designed extension that turns every new tab into a productivity dashboard. Well, it's more than just eye candy. Momentum keeps you focused with a daily inspirational quote, weather updates, and a space for your top goal of the day. Let's take a look at the main features. Daily Focus sets your most important task to keep it in front and center. The to-do list organizes a checklist of tasks for the day and checks them off as you go. The inspirational quotes keeps you motivated with a new quote every day. And finally, weather updates keeps track and local weather for planning your day. Momentum uses simple but powerful visual cues, which studies in psychology have shown can increase motivation and focus. So every time you open a new tab, it reminds you of your main goal, helping you to redirect your attention towards what truly matters. So, what inspires you most? Visuals, quotes, or setting a daily focus? Feel free to comment below. Next is Forest, an extension with a unique approach to tackling procrastination by gamifying focus. Here's how it works. Whenever you start a focused work session, you plant a virtual tree. As long as you stay on task, your tree keeps growing. Leave the task and the tree dies. But there's an interesting twist here. Forest partners with Trees for the Future to plant real trees based on user activity. Its key features include: you can visually track your focus time by growing a tree. You can set custom work periods to match your schedule. Leaderboard sees how you focus your time and compares with others in the community. You are also making a real world impact for every focus session, and a real tree is planted. Gamification can make productivity more engaging, and Forest uses this to give users a sense of accomplishment and a visual reward. So, my question back to you is, could seeing a forest grow as you work to keep you focused? Let us know. If you have a lot on your plate, Todoist is the ultimate extension to keep you organized. Todoist is a task management tool that integrates seamlessly with Chrome, letting you capture tasks as they come up and sort them by priority. Here's what Todoist makes it a must-have. You can rank tasks by priority to focus on what's most urgent. You can organize your projects by grouping tasks into projects for easy tracking. Set due dates and receive reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. And finally, and my most favorite one, is quickly adding tasks like submit a report by Monday, and Todoist will set your due date. Studies show that organized task management can reduce cognitive overload, allowing you to handle complex tasks more easily and stay on top of projects. So, do you usually rely on task lists, or do you prefer to keep things in your head? Share your productivity style below in the comment section. Do you need the right background noise to concentrate? Noisli has you covered with customizable soundscapes designed to help you focus or relax. Here are the top features. Choose from a range of sounds like rain, white noise, or a bustling coffee shop. You can layer multiple sounds to create a custom sound environment. Use the focus timer to use the integrated timer to work in focused intervals. Save your favorite sound combinations for easy access. Research from Frontiers in Psychology shows that ambient noise can improve focus and reduce stress levels, making Noisli a valuable tool for work or study. So whether you prefer nature sounds or a bit of background chatter, Noisli can keep you in the zone. What's your favorite sound for concentrating? Silence, rain, or maybe coffee shop noise? Let me know in the comments. And finally, Grammarly, an essential extension for anyone who writes emails, essays, or reports. Grammarly not only checks grammar and spelling but also gives insights into tone, conciseness, and clarity. Let's see some of its top features. First and foremost is the real-time spelling and grammar checks, where it corrects errors as you type. With tone detection, it ensures your message comes across as intended, whether formal or casual. It also makes your writing clear and to the point. Grammarly ensures your work is original if you are writing research or an academic content. Clear communication is essential, especially in professional settings. Grammarly helps you refine your message to prevent misunderstandings, which is crucial for productivity. So, do you find yourself struggling with tone or clarity in your writing? Grammarly could be your new best friend. These 5 extensions have the power to reshape your productivity game, making work and study sessions more focused, organized, and effective. So, which one are you going to try first? Comment below and let us know your favorite. If you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more productivity hacks and tips. Do not forget to click that notification bell to avoid missing out on our next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.